Welcome back, children. And now, in this part, we'll continue with the determiners. So, now here we'll study about quantifiers, which are also known as indefinite adjective. So, let's study about the first type, that is some. So, some is used in affirmative or positive sentences with uncountable and plural countable nouns. Example: there is some proof that he is guilty. I have some good ideas on the project. Now, proof is uncountable noun and ideas is plural countable noun, and it is a positive sentence, so we have used some. We also use it for where the answer is expected to be yes. Would you like some tea? Definitely the answer would be yes. Or could you give me some food? Definitely the answer would be yes. Next type is any. It is used when you want to ask whether something exists or not, and it is also used in negative sentences. Like, do you have any advice on the matter? Something you are asking. So we have used any. And I don't need any help. It's a negative sentence. So with negative sentence and where you want to ask something, we use any. It is also used in affirmative sentence before plural nouns and uncountable nouns, when it refers to a quantity of something which may or may not exist. Little and much. These are used to refer to amount or quantity. Little is used to emphasize that there is a small amount of something, whereas much is used for emphasizing large quantities. Children, I have told you the difference between few and little. Few is used for countable nouns and little is used for uncountable nouns. But little is also used when reference is for a small amount. Like, I want to spend a little time in Dubai. So, amount is less. I have studied very little for my exams. So, less amount. Do you like to watch much television? So, more amount. Next comes the few and many. They refer to plural countable nouns. Alright, few students came for the class today. Example: many people went to welcome the Indian cricket team. So plural countable nouns. Few signify less in number and many signify more in number. More, less and fewer. So they are mostly used as comparative determiners. Ravi is more intelligent than Shyam. Comparative. So it is also used to refer to an additional quantity of something. Less is used to refer to amount that is less than the other amount. That is again comparison. And fewer is used when we refer to a group of things. So the poor have less access to cleanliness. There are fewer cars here. So fewer is used for plural things or plural nouns. Like, other example is others. So there are many determiners that are used in the English language and cannot be put under any fixed category. So we put them in some others category. All. It is used mostly with plural verb. Like, all children cannot be treated in the same manner. It includes all the persons or things of a particular kind. All means inclusive. Complete. Both is used to talk about two things of the same kind, and generally it is followed by and. Both Raman and Raghav went out for a movie, so both is followed by and. Either and neither. So these determiners usually refer to two persons or things, but so that one of the two is or is not involved in the situation. Like, take either side of the bed, both are the same. So it means only one side you can take. And neither is used mostly with singular nouns, and by either it can mean both or the two things, especially when it is used with and or side. So either means anyone and neither means not any. So neither means zero and either means any one. Then each and every is there. These determinants are used to refer to all members of a group, persons or things. When we talk about members as individuals, we use each and when we make a statement. So each means uh, every single person, and every means all. So each and every board member was present in the meeting. Today, a laptop and air conditioners can be seen in each house. So these determinants are used to refer to all members of a group, person or things. When we talk about the members as individual, we use each and when we make a statement about all of them, and we use every. So when we are talking about individuality, we use each, but when we are talking about all of them in a group, we use every. 1. This statement is used when we are talking or writing about a group and we want to say something about a particular member of the group. So it is used in place of a or an. So a actually also means one. I have a pencil. It means I have one pencil. So these both can be used alternatively. Like I know one restaurant where you can get amazing Chinese food. Another. It can be used with a singular countable noun to talk about an additional person, like or additional thing. Like can I have another cup of coffee? Means one he has already had. Another he wants. Now other. This determiner is used with plural nouns or sometimes with uncountable nouns. Examples: other people might have not thought like this. So it is used with plural nouns or sometimes with uncountable nouns. Enough. It is used before uncountable nouns or plural nouns. To say that there is something that is sufficient. That is, the hotel had enough rooms for all the guests. So it is used before uncountable nouns or plural nouns. Most is used to indicate nearly all of an amount. Like most people of India are working class. So it means about 90%. Several. It is usually used to indicate an imprecise number that is not very large but more than 2. Like example is there were several deaths during the floods in UP. So several deaths here mean it signify an imprecise amount. Imprecise amount number means we are not exactly clear. Several deaths here means many deaths, but it could be more 10, 20, 30, but more than 2. So children, that's all about determiners. Hope you understand. Thank you.